Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Are you happy? Okay, fine. Have you finished your homework? Very good. Okay, students. Now I am asking some questions about numbers. Okay. First question. What is prime number? Yes, very good. Prime numbers are numbers which have exactly two factors, isn't it? That is 1 and the number itself, isn't it? Can you say any prime number? Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Isn't it? Okay. What is composite number? Very good. A composite number is a number which can be written as a product of factors other than 1 and the number itself. Can you say any composite number? Yes, good. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. Okay. Now, what is coprime number? Yes, two numbers that have only one as a common factor are known as coprime number, isn't it? Only one as a common factor, isn't it? Okay. What is twin prime number? Yes, twin prime numbers are pairs of prime numbers such as 3, 5, 5, 7 and 41, 43 with the difference of 2. For example, 3, 5. What's the difference? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, isn't it? Difference of 2. So, these numbers are twin primes numbers, okay? Can you guess the topic now? Yes, very good. Factors, isn't it? Factors and multiples, okay? Now, what is factor? The numbers that are multiples to get a product are called the factors of the product. For example, 35 is equal to 5 and 7 is the factors, isn't it? 5 and 7 are factors of 35. Okay. What is multiples? The product of a number and counting numbers are called the multiples of that number. For example, 35 is a multiple of 7 as well as 5. Isn't it? Multiples of 7 is 35. Multiples of 5 also 35. Isn't it? Okay. Are you clear? Yes, very good. Now, let us start a class doing some problems. Okay? Already we know that what is natural number, what is whole numbers, what is integers, then what is prime number and composite number also. Okay. Now, this is coprime. What is coprime number? Two numbers which have only one as a common factor are known as coprime number. Okay. Two numbers which have only one as a common factor are known as coprime number. Now, first Roman number. Which of the following pairs of numbers are coprime? First, here 6, 8. Now we want to find factors of 6 and factors of 8. Okay. What are the factors of 6? 1 table 6 times, isn't it? Then 2 table 3 times. Again 3 table 2 times. Then 6 table 1 time. That's all, isn't it? So, now we can find the factors of 8. So, 8, factors of 8, 1 table 8 times. Then factors of 8, 2 table 4 times. Then 8, 4 table 2 times. Then again 8 table 1 time. Isn't it? That's all. Now we can write factors of 6 is equal to, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. Then factors of 8. Factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Here, common factors. 1 is common factor, then 2 also common, isn't it? But so this is not a co-prime because here two numbers which have only one as a common. Only one as a common means this numbers co-prime number. But here 1 and 2 are common numbers. So therefore 6, 8 is not co-prime. Is not co-prime. Are you clear? Okay. Then next question. Here factors of 64. 1 into 64. Then 2 table. 2 into half of 64. 32. Then 64. 3 table is 3 table not possible. Then 4 table. Yes. 4 into 12 is it? Sorry, 4 into 16, isn't it? Yes. 4 into 16. Then 64. Then which table? 8, isn't it? 8 table. 8 into 8. Then 9 is not possible. Then 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then again 16 table. Then 32. Then 64. That's all, isn't it? Now, 81. Factors of 81 is equal to 1 into 81. Then 2 table not possible. Then 3 table. Yes, 3. 27. Okay, 3 into 27. Then 4 table is not possible. Then 6. No. 7, 8, 9 table, isn't it? 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. Then 9, then 27, 81. That's all, isn't it? Therefore, the factors of 64. What are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, then 64. Then here, 8. Factors of 8 is equal to factors of 8. Factors of 8 is equal to 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Now, okay students, now listen here. What are the common factors? Only 1. Only 1 is a common, isn't it? So, the 64 and 81 is a prime, co-prime number. Therefore, 64, 81 is co-prime. Okay, can you write? Is co-prime. Because here only 1 as a common. Only 1 as a find the value of the following. Now, 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 4 times 2. Isn't it? 4 times multiplied by 2. Now we can write 2 power 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times. Isn't it? Now we can write 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So the value of 2 power 4 is equal to 16. Okay, value of 2 power 4 is equal to 16. Then next question, 2u into 3u into 5u equal to 2 3 times. So 2 into 2. Isn't it? Then 3 also 3 times. Isn't it? Once again, just you write this margin. 2u into 3u into 5u equal to 2 how many times? 3 times. 2 into 2. Then 3 also 3 times. 3 into 3. Then 5 3 times. 5 into 5. Okay. Now we can multiply these 3 together. 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8 into 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 into 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. Now we can multiply 8 into 27. Okay. Now 27 into 8. 8 sevens are 56. 5 balance. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 216 into 125. Now we can multiply 125 into 216. 6 5s are 30. 3 balance. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Again 1 balance. 1 6 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 5 is 5. 1 2 is 2. 1 1 is 1. Then 2 table. 5 2s are 10. 1 balance. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 2 is 2. Now we can add. Now 0, 5 5 10. 1 balance. 8. 10 again 1 balance. Then 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 2. Okay. Is equal to 27,000. What is the value of 2 cube into 3 cube into 5 cube is equal to 27,000. Okay. Then next Roman number. Express the following numbers in exponential form. Okay. Do you know what is exponential form? Power. Isn't it? 2 power 4. This is the exponential form. Now we want to write in exponential form. Now 25. 25 we can write, do this down method. 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1. So we can write 25 is equal to 5 into 5. 5 2 times. Isn't it? So 5, the whole 5 raised to the power 2. Otherwise 5 square. Okay. Then 121. 121. This is in 11 table. 11 11s are 121. 11 1 11 is 11. So 121 is equal to 11 into 11 is equal to 11 square. Okay. 11 square. This is the exponential form of 25 and 121. Okay. Then third question. Okay. Third question. 2401. Okay. 2401. Now 2401. Which table? 7 table, isn't it? 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Here balance 3. 3 and 0, 30. Isn't it? Here 30. 7 4s are 28. 28 balance 2. Now 2 and 1, 21. 7 3s are. 3 7s are 21. Okay. Then again 7 table. 7. How many times? 7 4s are 28. Isn't it? 4 7s are 28. 34. 28. Remaining 6. Isn't it? 28. Remaining 6. 6 and 3. 63. 7. 9s are 63. Okay. So 9 7s are 63. Now again 7 table. 7 7s are 49. Then again 7 table 1. So we can write 2401 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 4 times. So we can write 7 power 4. Okay. This is the exponential form of 2401. Then fourth question. One more question. 3150. 125. Okay, 3125. Now 3125. Which table? 5, isn't it? 6 5s are 30. Remain 1 balance, 1 and 2, 12. 2 5s are 10. Again 2 balance, 25. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 table, 1 5 is 5. 1 balance, 12. 2 5s are 10. 2 balance, 25. 5 5s are 25. Then again 5 table, 2 5s are 10. Here 25. 5 5s are 25. Now 5 5s are 25. Then 5 table 1. Now we can write 3125 is equal to 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 5 times. So we can write 5 raised to the power 5. This is the exponential form of 3125. Okay. Okay. Now fourth Roman number. Find all the factors of the following numbers. Now here first question 48. You want to find out all the factors. Okay. Now 48. What are the factors? 48. 1 into 48. 1 table 48 times. Then 48. 2 table half of 48. 24. Isn't it? 2 into 24. Then 3 table. 3 table. How can you find out 3 table? 1 3 is 3. 6 3s are 18. 1 balance 18. 6 3s are 18. Isn't it? So 3 table 16 times. Then 4 table 48 divided by 4. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 4 into 12. Isn't it? Then 48 is not in 5 table. Then 6 table. 6 8s are 48. Isn't it? 6 8s are 48. Then 8 table 6 times. Then 12 table 4 times. Then 16 table 24 table 48. That's all. Okay. Therefore, the factors of 48. 48 are, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Okay? Are you clear? Okay. Then second question. 180. 180. What are the factors? 180. This is also 1 table 180 times. Then 2 table 180. Half of 180 is equal to 90. So 2 into 90. Then 3 table 180. 6 3s are 18. Again 0. So 3 into 60. Then 180. 4 table. Yes, we have 180 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. Then 2 balance 25 4s are 20. So we can write 4 into 45. Then 180. 5 table. Yes. 5 table. How many times 5 table? 3 5s are 15. 3 balance 6 5s are 30. So 5 into 36. Then 6 table. Yes. 6 table. 6 into 180 divided by 6. 3 6 are 18. 0. 6 into 30. Then 7 table is not possible. Then 9 table. 9 into 20. Okay. We can find 180 divided by 9. 2 9s are 18. 0. 9 into 20. Okay. Then 180. 10 table. Yes. 18. Isn't it? 10 18s are 180. Okay. Then 180. Then any table? Yes. Then 18 table. Isn't it? Then 20 table, 30 table, 36, 45, 60. That's all. Okay. Therefore, what are the factors? Can you write? What are the factors? Okay. Now here, therefore, the factors of 180 are, what are the factors? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 8. Okay. Write the prime factorization of the following. Write the prime factorization of the following. Okay. Now this is the factorization method. You can do the method. 50. This is 2 table, isn't it? 2 2s are 4. 1 balance 10. 5 2s are 10. Then 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 table 1. So we can write the factorization of the prime factorization of the following. Prime factorization of 50. So therefore 50 is equal to, we can write 2 into 5 into 5. Okay. 2 into 5 into 5. This is the prime factorization method. Okay. This is the prime factorization method. Okay. Then next, second question. 1089. 1089. Now, this is, just you listen here, this is 3 table. 3 3s are 9, isn't it? 3 3s are 9. 1 balance, then 18. 6 3s are 18. Then again 3 3s are 9. Okay. Then 3 table, 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. Again 1 3 is 3. Then 121 is 11 table. Okay. 11 table. So 11 11s are 121. So 11 1 11 is 11. So we can write 1000 and factorization of 1089 is equal to 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. Okay. 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. Are you clear? Okay. Then one more question. 4680. 4680. Now 4680. This first you can take 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 0. Then again 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 1 balance 14. 7 2s are 14. 0. Then again 2 table. 5 2s are 10. 1 balance 17. 8 2s are 16. 1 balance 10. 5 2s are 10. Then 5 table. 1 5 is 5. Again 1 5 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 and 5 35. 7 5s are 35. Then this is 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 2 balance. 2 and 7 27. 9 3s are 27. Isn't it? 9 3s are 27. Now 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Then this is in 13. 13 is a prime number. So 13 is in 13 table. Okay. Once again listen. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 0. Then 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 1 balance 14. 7 2s are 14. 0. Then again 2 table. 5 2s are 10. 1 balance 17. 8 2s are 16. 1 balance 10. 5 2s are 10. Then 5 table. 1 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5. Here 3 balance 35. 7 5s are 35. Then 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 2 balance 27. 9 3s are 27. then 3 table, 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, then 13 table. Okay. Now we can write, therefore 4680 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13. Okay. What is the factorization of 4680? 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 3 into 3 into 13. This is the factorization of 4680. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Very good. Then today's homework, book page number 31, exercise 3.1, question number 1 and 2, then question number 5, 5th question, question number 7, 9th question. Okay, these are the homework. Okay, students, today's class is completed. We can see next class. Okay, thank you.